Bafethu kuyiqiniso ukuthi ama-achievement e-Sundowns la manje kumele ngabalwa ngoba i-Sundowns yadliwa yibhank.
Le Sundowns leyo yadliwa yibhank leyo ukhuluma ngayo wena. Yonke leyo mjuluko yahamba nebhank. Manje uzongitshela izinto mina ezahamba nebhank.
Hey kanti nithule njani isho ukuthi i-Sundowns yadliwa yibhank? Hey kuyatalabhala lokho umuntu ikuthatha i-Durban Network lokho umuntu hey futhi lapha yabona kukutalabha impela kodwa hayi asiqale sikulalele kuqala bese siqondisa ukukhuluma kwaleyo ukuthi i-Sundowns yadliwa yibhank idinga ufakelwe ibuko. Hey nadliwa yibhank kanti yibhank.
Lokho ngibuza ngithi ivelaphi i-Sundowns nale trend entsha yokuwina ileague ngoba i-Sundowns nayo yayigesela kwi-league. Ileague ayiwina inoma ubani. Ibuya ku Rangers
kodwa imake sikelela i-Sundowns ayayiwina ileague 3 times in a row. I think ngabo ma 98 under coach uTed Dimitri. So you can't be saying ayiwini league ngoba after even lapho bekuphela ama season ambalwa iwini kuphela ama season akufani nani enigcineni qedwe 10 years.
Yazakuhlekisa uthenga ububunyaka.
98 Samuel sengisho ukuthi
ayithatha 3 times
in a row.
Mana ngicela ukubuza uzola amahobe bebephethe ngamuphi unyaka kwiSundowns?
Long time ago, before 93. Before 93.
Okay, uPitso ulo umphathi uyithole nini iSundowns?
uPatrick
Motsepe.
I think kwakuza ku 99 kuza ku 2000.
Ngizama ukuthi kuwena uchaza ukuthi management lephethe iSundowns bekuyiyona le yathatha le. Ufuna the same management yoPatrick Motsepe bake bayithatha 3 times.
No, wena uthe iSundowns ayisiyo i-team ewina i-league. Mina bengikulungisa lapho
kulungile.
Yake yayiwina nje 3 times in a row.
Ngiyeza kuloko ngithi mina kuwena uthi uPatrice Motsepe lo phethe Sundowns. Useke wayiwina 3 times noma ubeqala nje kule trend anayo.
Wayiwina kayi1 kwakhatha
ngithi 3 times.
No bengakazi.
Yaze wina wakusho ukuthi angiphendula. Ngizama ukuthini ke le Sundowns onokhuluma ngayo ile yaseMamelodi ayikhumbula. Hayi la seClodrop le Clodrop le hlala la ePitoli eThembisa. Le Sundowns le wena okhuluma ngayo yamanje le yaseThembisa ayikaze ithathe itrend entsha ithathe waya ikazime. You understand? Leyo Sundowns yafa. Leyo Sundowns leyo yadliwa yibhank le okhuluma ngayo wena. Yonke leyo mjuluko yahamba nebhank. Manje uzongitshela izinto mina ezahamba nebhank ngoba yazini ilento edida abantu abaningi bahlale bengishela la bethi sicela usupport amaZulu sicela usupport angiyawathanda amaZulu ngiyayithanda kodwa ngeke ngikwazi ukusupport i-team ehambayo ibuye mina ngathi nginqamuka kawuthela imali mina ngihamba namhlanje ihambile enhlizweni
wemayi lesazi sikhuluma kayi le discipline le mana bank
exactly hamba nebhank uStandard Bank uPatrice uyilanda kuStandard Bank so impumelelo yakhe yonke ayisekho. Kahle iSundowns iphutha lento kubalwa indebe zeSundowns iyahamba nebhank ngoba ya repossessed. Wonke amandla amakhaphu ivalue yadliwa yini? IBank was forfeited by iBank. Uthi muphi unyaka I don't care but onyaka lo nina ama expectations kakhulu. Uma ni common nje nami sine common fact ukuthi ngempela ya repossessed iBank. Phela iBank lithatha ivalue ye property lithathanga igama ethi Mamelodi Sundowns. Same thing applies uma ubona iRoyal AM ithathwa.
Futhi lokho umuntu lokho kubathole kahle labasakazi kuyawabonta abazi. No asiqondise lento yeSundowns. iSundowns ngo1985 uqala kwayo nje to rise to prominence. Ingesikhathi ithengwa uZola Mahobe. So uZola Mahobe was a fraudster. Ubekade eganiwe but he was always seen on social occasions with his mistress. Ayikade ejola naye ke intombazanyana nje sencane esebenza eStandard Bank lento efana seyiqondise kahle intombazanyana encane ekade esebenza eStandard Bank babekade benza ifraud nayo ke leyo ntombazane leyo so uZola Mahobe was known for his love for a flash lifestyle. He would even take Sundowns players to go watch ama-Merseyside derby madlala Liverpool neEverton ethi was an spouse sakho. He was that guy, Zola Mahobe, the late Zola Mahobe, Pirates fan by the way, just like Umtsipe, and he had wanted to buy Pirates. What should the Pirates like dies? He ended up buying his Sundowns. After joining PSL in 1983, then 1985, he was buying players Pabo Ace Kuse from Kaizer Chiefs, even though Mark Anderson, when they talk about Ulo Kuza Uzola Mahobe, they talk glowingly about him because he gave them a lot of money. So that's when this Shushine and piano thing started under uShakes Mashaba. Yabo, because why no coach abaningi including about Trotty Mloto, but ukufika kaShakes Mashaba ikhona ke kwa revolutionize iSundowns kwayenza yaba a force to be reckoned with because they're playing beautiful football in the late 80s. And then 1988 Uzola Mahobe I think was somewhere in Germany and he saw ilokuzana a limited edition yemoto yakhona eGermany. So was it BMW or Mercedes? I can't remember very well, but I know there's a story about him buying a car in Germany in 1988. And then bathi bona no sizokwenza le moto ibe available in South Africa, but now we had to make a transaction from a bank lase South Africa wafonela iStandard Bank ke South Africa mabethi bayafona iStandard Bank eSouth Africa bathola ukuthi hayibo lo muntu usethole usedla ama million lo muntu lo kahle kahle awasestela kuthiwa cha abadlali bakuthiwa ayibapha imali ebaflyisa abanye basako Italo Shakes Oscar Shabalala ethi abahambi beyobuka ibhola la khona oBaresi alazi ama defenders Italo oBaresi the great Baresi nabo Paulo Maldini. That's where he got this thing of Shushine and piano because the coach wayithi dlala play beautifully like a piano, don't just hoof the ball forward. So that's another story ke ngiyabuye ngixoxele sona noma ungahamba ubheka ama documentaries ka Screamer Shabalala Brasten. So that's when you get that thing of Shushine and piano yeSundowns started. And then in 1988 yabanjwa le fraud ayikade elokhuza efanda ngayo iSundowns and other lokhuza amanye ama business ayikade ewenza, but he had a lot of money ngazuyithatha phi because he was a fraudster. So yakhandwa ke male fraud yona vele iSundowns, but he protector because my uncle is a Sundawana and uyabona ngihambe ngisupporta kakhulu iSundowns mayidlala boCAF Champions League noma idlala against the Chiefs because ngafundiswa ibhola umuntu osupport iSundowns bayamazi abantu malume umkhonzman. So iSundowns ke from then ke Standard Bank ya repossessa ama assets kaZola Mahobe owaye own iSundowns at the time including iMamelodi Sundowns, and then iSundowns yase ilwela ezandleni kaStandard Bank yadliwa yibank ke lapho. That was 1988, and from Standard Bank, iSundowns was rescued by Natasha Chiklas no Angelo Chiklas. So babe family ke husband and wife. Then kusukela lapho ke babe owner kanye namawele la waseGreece they were Greek awaka Kroc Abe Kroc nobani konje but awaka Kroc amawele so wakhumbula umuntu wayesupport Sundowns ngaleso sikhathi. So bayi owner ke the Kroc and the Chiklas family, they owned iSundowns, those two families. And iSundowns ukuthatha kwa league isithatha 3 years in a row. That was under Natasha Chiklas now lamawela ka Kroc. That was between 98 and 2000. They won it 3 years in a row, right? Yayingasekho ebankini. So lo mjuluko lo wecela siubale bakithi siubalele kwiSundowns ukuthi cha yayiwina iSundowns under iPSL because iPSL was established in 96-97 it was won by Manning Rangers, and then Sundowns won it 3 years in a row. The Pirates yake yayiwina and the Santos yayinwina in between the Pirates because I remember yawinwa iPirates, after that yasewinwa iSantos yaphinda yawinwa iPirates, then Chiefs won it twice. After Chiefs won it twice, the Sundowns also won it twice. Umtsipe before ayithathe wire nje bese ithatha wire wake wayiwina umtsipe bakithi league twice. That was 2006 and 2007. The squad sabo surprise Mriri Manqoba Shakes Ngwenya yabo Nyandoro, if you remember the squad Lerato Chabangu lesi sasishisa nabo Andre Arends, even Brian Baloyi I think he did win the league with the Sundowns after winning it with the Kaizer Chiefs because umtsipe naye wathenga abadlali. Umtsipe iSundowns uyithathe 2004. It was 2004 without even consulting with Google or without even confirming with Google. It's because I was doing grade 9 in 2004. Even Tishu Mchalo was for the EMS, and at the time was for the Sangama shares, shares. So he even spoke about Petrus Mtsipe buying 52% shares with Sundowns before he bought them out. What 52% were by major shareholder. So he won it twice, and then after that, yasizowinwa uLokhuzana, yasizowinwa uPitso 2014. That was 2013-2014 season because 2012-2013 Bivikizembe wafika uPitso wayikhipha eZembeni. Then 2013-2014 he won the league uPitso. After that it was won by Kaizer Chiefs 2014-2015. That was the last league title they won under Stuart Baxter. Then from Lapo 2015-16 I think it was it Sundowns again or Wits? I think they won it again and then it was Wits. Then after that it was Sundowns kuze kube manje. So imjuluko yakho uPetrus Mtsipe singayidlela umona bafowethu wakwayiwina kabili in a row. Yes, not 3 times in a row, twice in a row, and then he won it once and then wasewina why. So kumele siyiqondise leyo nkulumo leyo ungabe ngathi iSundowns yawina wonke la ama league namathathu before ilokuziwe before idliwe yibhenki ekubatholile okwabo lokho umuntu ekuyadalapha lokho umuntu cha bafowethu yayisibuye ebhenkeni lapho iSundowns winile ikathathu ngama late 90s sasa sikhona impela la ibhola silibuka lapho so uzola Mahobeni iSundowns wacishwa imosha I'm glad ukuthi akayithenga ngePirates noma wayeyisupport wathola team wayithengela yona wayikhandela yona bakithi ngemali yefraud yadliwa ke yibhenke ke lelo ke ladla umsoco lo athi usikelela la udla sazi bala udla noma ludla wesikelela ungaphi kodwa wendoda iyaqala lapha lokho ngeke ubuye futhi lapho futhi makukuthole kahle information yakhe ingaphelele hey ukuya ukaya kodwa ke kubuye yadliwa yibhenke kanti